tropical storms coming through. It's raining while it's thundering. Chicken wings. And man, I'm so tired of it all, but I ain't complaining, man. Like, man, I know y'all can hear me right now. My pipes on normal, so ground kind of wet. It ain't raining. It's just, you know, it's been raining here for like the last 2 or 3 days. But as you see, I'm on my way. As you see by the side of the thumbnail, at first, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications. Just do that real quick, because it's not going to take long. I promise you it's not. But as you see by the side of the thumbnail, man, I just want to give y'all this lit ride along, man. But first, for the people that heard my car in person, they really like it. They say it's loud. To me, it's loud, but you know, you're the person that's always gonna be driving your car all the time. So you're gonna have those times like, man, it's loud, but it's not the loud I want to be. Oh, it's really not loud to me. But you know, you're the one driving it. You're not the one on the outside. But to me, my car is loud. But to me, I just think like Borla Atak. Don't get me wrong, Borla. Shout out Borla. You see the hat. But the car is really loud to me. But I think Borla Atak's just not enough. And what I mean when I say that Borla Atak's not enough, because I know how loud I want my car to be, because I know what I have planned for this car. But to me, I want to know what my car is going to sound like with Borla Atak paired with long tube headers. Now, the most popular paired combo is Corsa Extremes, not Sports. Extremes. It's Corsa Extremes and Corsa long tube headers. S550. Even probably S197. But you know, it's so like loud and raspy, you know. But you know, most people like to keep that like the American muscle tone, because you know people like to keep it, you know, just like growling. Of course, you just especially with a 10-speed, you just don't get me wrong, it sounds good, but Jesus. But I'm so curious about what my car sounds like with long tube headers on, with Borla Ataks. So that is why today we are going to get, well, sad to say I gotta drop the car off, but I know it's not no 1 hour, 2 hour thing, 5 minute thing. You know, I gotta get my car dropped off. But man, I'm going to get, man, long tubes installed, man. So shout out my boy that's about to install these, Chad. You know, he's a real cool dude. He worked on my last 2018. About to head to his shop, and you know, he about to install these for me. So I can't wait to see. Like, I asked them, I said, how long it's gonna take? Cause there's other places that's trying to, like, other people that want to install my long tubes for me. They trying to keep my car for what? They're trying to keep my car for like 2-3 weeks. I'm like, I know it don't take that long to install some long tube headers, but man, you know I ain't going like that. But Chad, you know, I knew him for a minute. You know, we cool. We can talk a lot about cars, man. He's very good what he do. Mechanic wise, he's very good what he do. He take his time, and you know, he actually take care of his car just like his home, but like it's his own. Sorry, but I know he gonna take care of me and my Mustang. But he's gonna keep my car for the rest of the day, and it's possible that I'll have it back tomorrow afternoon. So it's just gonna be I might upload this video, or I might pair it with tomorrow's. Hey, who never knows? But honestly, I might just upload this video because, you know, this is like my last ride with just straight Borla Atak. So I mean, right now I don't got the car in sports mode. I just got it in normal mode, and the pipes are, you know, on normal. So I mean, like, I'm cruising in field, and you know, you can still hear it. But on the outside, when people driving and they hear my car, they're like, man, your car's loud. I'm like, oh, it's only normal. But like I said, thanks to Borla, man, hey, it's like that. But man, it just sounds so good. Like, that shit sounds so good. But almost to my destination, man. I can't believe this is my last ride with straight Borla Atak. Can't believe I'm about to get Corsa long too long. Let me put that thing in sport for y'all. my car, man, I gotta add some goods to it, cosmetic wise, performance wise, because I am planning on keeping this car, keep building on this car, and paying off this car, because I love this car, and there's no other car that will make me trade in this car. I'm just being honest, but man, I just can't believe I'm about to get this done, man. I know it's about to be crazy. Snap. What do we have here? We have a Camaro. Simba. Should I get him Simba? Bite his ass, Simba. Just get up behind him and just. Yeah. Y'all see how I made a move. Yeah, y'all see how I made a move. Yeah, I don't play that. Yeah, I'm a Camaro bully. Feel me? I love beating up Camaros. Yeah, man, y'all just, man, some of y'all know, some of y'all don't know, but, man, I'm so geeking happy for this. Well, we almost at our destination, though, so, yeah, though, you feel me, though? Even though I don't want to end it, but I just want to ride with y'all, talk to y'all, let y'all know that it's about to be on and poppin'. Shit, yeah, I just had to shit with y'all, man. Yeah, so y'all in with me on this together, man. Like, come on, players no games out here. I can shift all day, beat. All right, y'all. So this is it. Y'all know what time it is. Finna drop the baby off, man. Smash that like button, comment, everything. Long tubes is going on this girl. Follow social media. Y'all know what time it is.